Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Caitlin Harvey.
Taking a live look this midday out at Ashland from the Oregon Shakespeare Festival as part of our Newswatch 12 Weather Cam network. We're continuing to see these clouds and some of that fog lift. Even within the last 30 minutes, we've seen vast improvement to just our visibility in downtown Ashland. Temperatures, though, still a little bit cool, 39 degrees currently. Thanks to calm winds, though, we could likely warm up as we head into this afternoon just as quickly. As we take a look across the region at our current wind speeds, these are sustained winds. We're watching winds really shift coming out of the north now up to 30 miles per hour sustained in Lakeview. Still breezy out along Gold Beach, 17 miles per hour. But let's take a look at these gusts yet again. 36-mile-per-hour gusts on top of those strong sustained winds out at Lakeview, 23-mile-per-hour gusts in Gold Beach, and even Mount Shasta at about 32 miles per hour. And this is affecting I-5 as we head further south into Shasta and Trinity counties, Butte counties, all seeing very gusty winds. As we head out along the coast, now in effect until 10 o'clock on your Thursday morning, we're continuing to see not only these dangerously gusty winds up to about 35 knots, but also very steep, dangerous wind-driven seas up to 12 feet. This is prompting a hazardous seas warning until 10 o'clock on your Thursday morning, and experienced boaters and even small vessels are strongly encouraged to seek port. For our coastal communities, though, still very windy today with those northeasterly winds up to 30 miles per hour with temperatures into the mid-50s. Northern California is into the 40s and 50s today. Very, very windy, even seeing gusts in excess of those 30-mile-per-hour gusts we're seeing elsewhere near Mount Shasta City, 48 to that high today. Klamath Basin's back into the low to mid-40s. Very strong winds being observed and reported out of Lakeview. No doubt that's going to lead to some difficult driving for that drive home, especially with high-profile vehicles. Gusty winds today with chilly temperatures up toward Crater Lake. Expecting gusts up to 45 miles per hour and staying dry into the Rogue Valley. 55 are high today in Medford. Tracking gusts really from Ashland up to about Central Point, up to about 20 miles per hour. Tonight we'll keep clear skies with us, and that'll help drag those temperatures down. Expecting overnight lows into the 20s and 30s further inland, still into the 40s tonight as we head out along the coast. But heading into this next week, we'll still stay dry if you're looking to get a head start on weekend and the holiday travel plans this weekend. Slight chance of showers arriving on Sunday, but Monday into Tuesday, if you are looking to hold off on that Thanksgiving travel, we're tracking a new set of storm systems set to move in, which could bring snow levels easily down to pass level. We're talking Siskiyou Summit as well. So wanting to prepare for Thanksgiving, now only 8 days away, especially with these rain and mountain snow chances in the mix. Staying dry until next week, though. Still tracking breezy conditions today out along the coast with temperatures into the 50s. 53 and very windy for parts of Northern California, especially down toward Mount Shasta City. Klamath Basin is also very windy today, especially into Lake County. Highs back into the 40s and 40s today with more winds through the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, even the Rogue Valley after a bit of a freezing foggy start, getting a little bit gusty as we head into this afternoon, Kate.
Yes, definitely something that's going to be impacting that commute home, wanting to be aware of that before you head out on the road because that wind really can have an impact.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Caitlin.